What's the meaning of blackness? Blackness. Blackness.
Blackness. Blackness. Blackness is a complex term that carries various meanings depending on its context. It can refer to the absence of lightness or color in a physical sense. However, it is also used to describe the identity and experiences of Black people. In this sense, blackness encompasses the cultural, social, and political aspects of being a member of the Black community. It can represent pride, resilience, joy, and creativity as well as the historical and ongoing struggles against racism and oppression. Ultimately, blackness is a multifaceted concept that reflects the diversity and richness of Black culture.